Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Travel Partner YouTube channel. Today, I'm revealing the top 10 cheapest flight routes in 2026, all under 50 euros. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just starting out, these deals will make your next European getaway super affordable. Hit subscribe and let's dive right into the best budget flights of the year. Let's kick things off with one of the most exciting and wallet-friendly adventures in Europe, traveling from London to Dublin. This route isn't just a way to get from point A to point B, it's a gateway to two vibrant cities, each with its own unique charm, history, and culture. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or planning your very first trip abroad, this journey is a must for anyone looking to experience the best of both worlds without breaking the bank. London to Dublin is one of Europe's most iconic and affordable routes, making it a favorite among students, backpackers, and anyone eager to stretch their travel budget. The sheer volume of travelers between these two capitals means there's always a buzz of excitement in the air, and you'll find yourself surrounded by fellow adventurers from all over the globe. What really makes this route stand out is the fierce competition between airlines like Ryanair and Aer Lingus. Thanks to this rivalry, prices are kept impressively low, with round-trip fares often dipping below 50 euros if you book at the right time. It's not uncommon to snag a ticket for less than the cost of a nice dinner out, especially if you're flexible with your travel dates and times. With multiple daily flights departing from London to Dublin, you have a ton of options to choose from. This means you can hunt for the best deals, especially if you're willing to fly midweek or outside of peak holiday seasons. A little flexibility can go a long way. Sometimes shifting your trip by just a day or two can save you a surprising amount of money. Don't forget to check all of London's major airports, Heathrow, Gatwick, Stansted, and Luton, when searching for flights. Each airport offers different airlines and price points, and sometimes departing from a less popular airport can mean even bigger savings. It's worth comparing your options to find the perfect balance between convenience and cost. The flight itself is a breeze, just over an hour in the air. It's the perfect length for a quick getaway, whether you're planning a spontaneous weekend trip or adding a new destination to your European adventure. Sit back, relax, and before you know it, you'll be touching down in a brand new city, ready to explore. So, if you've ever dreamed of wandering through London's historic streets or sipping a fresh pint of Guinness in a cozy Dublin pub, this is your sign to make it happen. With unbeatable prices, frequent flights, and two incredible cities waiting for you, there's never been a better time to book your ticket and start your own unforgettable adventure. Next up is Berlin to Vienna, a vibrant, affordable route that connects two of Europe's most fascinating capitals. Whether you're drawn to Berlin's creative energy or Vienna's imperial charm, this journey is a favorite among travelers looking for both culture and value. But to truly maximize your savings, timing is everything. If you time your trip just right, you can unlock some of the best deals available and make your travel budget stretch much further. The sweet spot for booking flights between Berlin and Vienna is usually 2 to 3 months in advance. This window gives you access to lower fares before prices start to climb as the departure date approaches. Planning ahead not only saves money, but also gives you more options for flight times and airlines. For the lowest fares, aim for the shoulder seasons, late spring or early autumn. During these periods, the weather is pleasant, crowds are thinner, and airlines are eager to fill seats, which means more frequent sales and promotions. Avoiding the peak summer and winter holidays can make a huge difference in price. Budget airlines like EasyJet and Ryanair frequently offer flash sales and limited-time discounts, especially during off-peak months. These carriers are known for their competitive pricing, so keep an eye out for sudden drops in fares. To stay ahead of the game, set up price alerts on your favorite travel apps or websites. This way, you'll be notified as soon as prices drop, giving you the chance to book at the lowest possible rate. Another smart tip is to consider flying into secondary airports near Berlin or Vienna. These smaller airports often have lower landing fees, which can translate into cheaper tickets for you. Plus, they're usually well connected to the city center by public transport. Both Berlin and Vienna boast excellent public transportation networks, making it easy and affordable to get from the airport to your accommodation, no matter which airport you choose. Finally, don't be afraid to play around with your travel dates. Even shifting your trip by a day or two can reveal significant savings. With a bit of flexibility and planning, you'll be able to score the perfect cheap flight between these two incredible capitals and make the most of your European adventure. Traveling from Madrid to Lisbon is one of the most popular routes for those looking to experience the best of both Spain and Portugal without spending a fortune. Whether you're a backpacker, a student, or just a savvy traveler, this route is a classic for good reason. The journey connects two vibrant capitals, each bursting with culture, history, and incredible food. And thanks to budget airlines, it's never been easier or more affordable to hop between them. Airlines like Ryanair, Vueling, and TAP Air Portugal are the main players on this route, constantly competing to offer the lowest fares. If you plan ahead or catch a sale, you can sometimes snag a one-way ticket for less than 25 euros. Sometimes even less if you're flexible with your dates and times. These airlines operate multiple flights daily, giving you plenty of options to fit your schedule, whether you're an early riser or prefer to travel in the evening. The flight itself is short, usually just over an hour, so you'll spend less time in transit and more time exploring. Both Madrid Barajas and Lisbon Humberto Delgado airports are conveniently located close to their respective city centers, making it easy to get from the plane to the heart of the action in no time. This means you can land in Lisbon in the morning and be sipping coffee in a historic square by lunchtime. For the best deals, don't forget to check both the main and secondary airports in each city. Sometimes, flying out of a smaller airport or arriving at an alternative terminal can save you even more money, especially if you're traveling light with just a carry-on. Many budget travelers swear by this trick to stretch their euros further. Keep an eye out for flash sales, especially when airlines announce new routes or special promotions. Signing up for airline newsletters or fare alerts can help you snag those limited-time deals before they're gone. Sometimes, booking at the right moment can mean the difference between a standard fare and an absolute steal. With such affordable and convenient flights, you can easily enjoy tapas in a bustling Madrid market one day, and the next, find yourself savoring a warm pastel de nata in a cozy Lisbon cafe. This route truly lets you experience the best of both cities: rich culture, delicious food, and unforgettable memories, without breaking the bank. Milan to Barcelona is a budget traveler's dream thanks to frequent daily flights. Airlines like Vueling, Ryanair, and EasyJet keep prices competitive, so last-minute deals are common. Flying midweek can save you even more. Sign up for airline newsletters to catch limited-time offers. Experience the best of Italy and Spain for less. This route is a must for your travel list. Paris to Brussels is a classic, quick hop between two capitals, with frequent deals under 50 euros. Both cities are major hubs, so airlines regularly offer promo fares, sometimes even lower during sales. Compare direct flights and those with short layovers for extra savings. Traveling light can unlock even cheaper fares. Don't forget to subscribe for more budget travel tips. Prague to Budapest is a scenic, wallet-friendly route served by several low-cost airlines. Book at least a month ahead and travel midweek for the best prices. Watch for promo codes during holidays or major travel periods. Pack light to avoid baggage fees and embrace minimalist travel. Two beautiful cities, one cheap flight. Add this route to your bucket list. Rome to Athens connects two historic cities with frequent budget flights. Beware of hidden fees. Low-cost carriers often charge extra for seat selection, luggage, or airport check-in. Stick to basic fares and carry-on bags to keep costs down. Do online check-in to avoid extra charges. With a little planning, you'll enjoy ancient wonders without overspending. Amsterdam to Copenhagen is perfect for exploring Northern Europe on a budget. Fly on Tuesdays or Wednesdays for the lowest fares. Weekends are pricier. Use fare comparison tools and set flexible dates to find deals under €50. Book a month or two ahead, but watch for last-minute offers. 2 vibrant cities, 1 affordable route. Travel has never been easier. Warsaw to Oslo is a fantastic budget route, especially if you catch seasonal price drops. Look for flights in late August, September, or early spring for the best deals. Airlines like Wizz Air and Norwegian run frequent sales. Sign up for alerts. Traveling light and flying at off-peak times can save even more. Explore culture and nature between these cities without stretching your budget. Zurich to Nice is perfect for spontaneous escapes, with last-minute deals often under €50. Use flight comparison apps and set alerts for price drops, airlines/fares to fill empty seats. Both airports are efficient, so even a quick trip is easy. Pack light and be ready to book fast. These deals go quickly. Sometimes the best trips are the ones you decide on at the last minute. That's it. 10 of the cheapest flight routes in 2026, all under €50. If you found these tips helpful, hit subscribe and join our travel partner community for more deals and travel hacks. Let me know in the comments which route you're most excited to try. Happy travels and see you next time. Let me know if you need further tightening or want to adjust the tone.